Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just before we start with the video, I just want to say thank you very much to everyone who has subscribed. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. So let's crack on with the video. So today guys, we're going to be installing the IL Motorsport short antenna. This has just come in from Germany, and they also sent out a very cool lighter with a sticker I'm going to put in our boot. So this is one of the quickest and easiest mods you can do to your car. I'm just going to go outside and show you guys. Just going to take that off. Little short comparison. Crazy how short this is. And all done guys. That's it. Transforms the whole car. Very happy with that. So anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. We'll be posting another video next week. Thank you. Bye bye. And before we finish here, last but not least, the sticker. Always appreciate a sticker. So yeah, thanks guys. See you later.